Do you want to do my dishes? Meow, you want to do my dishes? How do I even start this video? But anyway, here I am making one. It's been like, what, 9 months since I posted a YouTube video? That's a really long time actually. Most people have their own reason. For me though, I'm just lazy, which I'm not gonna be anymore because I promise to be as consistent as possible. So anyway, if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Loy or Kae or Kaeru or K, whatever you want to call me. I am an interior decorator on Instagram and TikTok. So if you guys haven't seen my video, go check out my page. But yeah, if you guys are new here, hi, welcome. And if you know me already and you decided to come back and watch my video, I love you. Here, give me a hug. Come here. Trying to see if it's recording. It's kind of funny because I have two phones and I'm using this little remote shutter to see if I'm recording with the other phone. So I'm like, is it recording? Okay, okay. But anyway, for today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my apartment because this is what my apartment looks like right now. Not the best, but like it's not that bad, you know? I mean, I've been trying to clean it like every single day. But yeah, just a little cute video. Originally, I was gonna make a new video tomorrow doing the apartment tour, the whole entire apartment, which I will be talking literally about everything that I have in my apartment and how I, decorate it. But I miss you guys, and so I just want to come back on here real quick and make this video. It's gonna be very casual. I'm just gonna clean my apartment, maybe talk about a few things, maybe do a haul because recently I did bought quite a lot of stuff. I've been going through a shopping phase, which is not healthy and it's not good. But yeah, do whatever you want to do with your money. I mean, hey, it's your money. Speaking about haul though, I got this Miffy pillow literally yesterday at 10 by 10 in Carrollton, Texas. How cute it is. So comfy too. I'm obsessed. Been going through a lot of like faces and one of my face is Miffy, as you can see. Miffy right here, right there. I don't know if you can see it, but I have a Miffy pot over there too. I need to stop yapping. Let's go. Let's go. Today is literally one of my luckiest days yet. Knock on wood. I found these Vivienne Westwood shoes from the thrift store and it was only $100, which still very expensive, but they're worth like a lot of money. Color's really cute too. Like, look at her. She's perfect. I can't. Oh my god. Anyway, back to the cleaning. This will probably take forever for me to go through all of my vinyls, but I'm gonna go through 3 new vinyls that I got today with you guys. The first one I got is Man I Trust. This is the Forever Live Sessions. Very excited for this one. The second vinyl I got is a collaboration between Ichigo Aoba and Mahito the People. This is the second album. I have the first one display on my wall right now, but yeah, super excited for this one too. And the third one, I'm so excited for this one, like insanely excited, because I've been looking for this album everywhere and I got a call today from my local record store. I can't show you the front because her bums is out, but this is Ichigo Alba, Windswept Aden. I think the song that I'm really looking forward to listen to is Dawn in the Aden. I know that one's a little bit overrated, but like one of her best. What can I say? Okay, so earlier the bedroom was looking a little bit crazy, but I didn't get to film it because my boyfriend cleaned it for me, so thank you, boyfriend. And there's really nothing else to clean, so I'm gonna head and end the video right here, but I will show you guys the before and after. I mean, I'm gonna have to clean my closet and my bathroom, but like, am I gonna show you guys that? Probably not. It's not like I want to gatekeep or anything, it's just a little crazy in there, just a little teeny tiny bit, like this much. Mr. Man, say bye. Bye, bestie. I'll see you next Friday. Mwah.